up all the way. Go. Okay, give it up.
What did you do today?
Make a path.
Make a path, but you did more than that. You
Yeah.
made more than a path.
Yeah.
Tell me about, and it's still in progress.
Yeah.
What did you do? This looks like a nature reserve or something here.
Yeah.
So what are we calling this? The new paths? Tell me about
the
it.
trippy trap because there's so many vines.
Say it again.
The trippy trap because
Okay.
there's so many vines.
So many vines. I know about the vines. Yes. And you made a sign. Can you show me the sign? Show the world your sign. We'll decide where we put it.
Yeah.
The trippy trap. I love it.
And
You guys
yeah.
have done an amazing job out here clearing. You should go into clearing forests for a job or something. I mean, look what you've done here. It's amazing.
I got sap on my fingers.
Yeah, I know about that too. Now all I need you to do is just do every one of these sections that have trees in.
Yep.
And then it'll be great.
And I have more to mow.
But it's really less to mow actually.
Hey, Papa, this whole area I'm planning on, there's going to be like a whole circle area for a campfire.
Okay, for a campfire.
Yeah.
I think that's an excellent idea. And so who gave you the idea to clear the forest so well?
Me.
You?
Yeah.
And who's me?
Me?
But you just say your name.
I'm Ariella.
Ariella.
Yeah.
And of course Kinley.
Yeah. Kinley came to help.
She came to help, and she's a brute too. She just ripped the whole tree out of the ground by herself. That's the video you just saw. She just ripped it out of the ground herself, just like that. So, and Ariella's mom does the same thing. She's like clearing the whole forest by hand, without using a saw or anything. She's kind of stubborn that way. I did give her the clips to cut some of the old metal fencing out of there. So we're just adjacent to the chicken coop here, which is just east of the chicken coop. And these are projects I can't get to, so you saw Justin working on the house, and these are just things that I can't get to even when I'm really well. And now this is opened up, and it's just truly amazing. A couple of young ladies that can clear a forest along with their mom, which is my daughter, by the way. Just amazing. Ashley, are you gonna lift this log out of here by yourself too? Just pick it up like Conan the Barbarian or something?
I did it earlier.
Yeah,
Big old tree was...
now I'm a believer.
I told you I was a beast.
You're a beast, yep. It's amazing.
Yeah.
The chickens found the trippy trap, didn't they?
Right. Yeah. See, there's big Chungus.
Big Chungus. Alright, granddaughters have come up with a new name for Big Hoss.
Those two found the big
They
pile.
call him Big Chungus, which is really hilarious. But the chickens have come in here, and they're working on it too. They're always curious about projects and new dirt to dig. And they know how to do it too. And my family has come to help, and it's been a real blessing.
Literally going at it. These girls have been doing really good